Hey guys, do you want to learn programming languages and want to be a developer? Then you are at the right place. In this tutorial series, we will teach you how to do programming languages without theory. We will only teach you the programming part and we will deal with the different problems of programmings. So let's begin with the installation of IDE, which is named as code blocks. You can also download the installer from their website. Here is the website. You can also download the source code for installing the code block on Linux and Unix. So we will begin with the installing the code blocks. I have already downloaded the package on my desktop. So just right click or double click the code blocks installer, and if you are able to see the permissions dialog, click yes on that and we will begin. You can see the code blocks logo and we are here with installation wizard. Click the next, agree, next and install. If you want to choose the destination folder without C, so then you can change by browsing the folder location and continue to install. And here you can see the installation is started, and our code blocks icon is also got available on our desktop and it will be done in few seconds. So here we have completed the installation and this is asking for, do you want to run code blocks now? Yes, definitely yes. And we will make our first program of saying hello world, which is a famous program in our developing area of programming IT. Here we will choose the yes associate code blocks with C and C++ file types. Now our code blocks is set up and we will make a new file by clicking empty file in the list, and first of all save this. If you want to get intelligence of the code blocks, in the D directory I am making a new folder for tutorials, so it may be easily foundable by me. And giving the file name as hello world.c. Make sure you have written the .c in the extension because it makes it workable, and only the .c file is readable by the code blocks and other IDEs. So make sure you have given the .c extension to the file and save this. First of all, we will give a header file from which our programs use their functions. So I have writing the code has include and giving the less than greater than signs, and in between I am writing the stdio.h, which is the header file for standard input output. Okay, this function includes our printf and scanf functions through which we display text on our console. So the main part is our main function int main. Just exactly write the same code which I am writing on this, and this is the printf function which I have recently say to in the reference of our stdio.h header files. And in the printf function we will type some text to be displayed on the screen, I mean console, and just write hello world. At the last of that line put a semicolon and write a return 0 statement. Now you will ask why I am writing return 0 here. It makes no mean, but it makes mean. Here is the int main. Int main means this function is returning a value which is of type integer. Then I should also return an integer value. That's why I write a return 0 statement. So let's try by building and running this program. Just click on the yellow and green build and run icon. It will build here. We can see the build message here. Now we have the console and we can see hello world program is written the hello world in his console. Now close the console. The one most important thing is if you are working with the Turbo C, then you have to write a get C or get ch functions to stuck the console at the end of the program. Otherwise the program will execute and close their console instantly and you will not able to see your output. So make sure if you are working on Turbo C, include a file conio.h and write a function get ch and make the blank and finish with the semicolon and run this. Yes, now it will wait for input from the keyboard. When I press a space or anything character on the keyboard, it will be end up and give this process return 0. On the Turbo C, it will end up by pressing any other key. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, hit the like button or subscribe to the channel. You can also download our learning app from the Play Store. Link is in the description.